In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display backlinks inside a note in Obsidian. Start by opening your Obsidian app. Once it loads, go to the left sidebar and click the note that other notes link to. In this example, the note is called Meeting Notes. Opening this note lets you view the backlink section directly inside the document. Now press Ctrl+P to open the command palette. In the search box, type Backlinks. As the results appear, choose Backlinks, toggle Backlinks in Document. This turns on the backlink panel inside the note you currently have open, so you can see references connected to it without leaving the page. At the bottom of the note, look for linked mentions or unlinked mentions. Click the small arrow next to either one to expand it and explore the connections. This shows which notes are linking back to the note you selected, and it helps confirm that backlinks are being displayed in the document. Next, go to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the Settings menu, find Backlinks under the Core Plugins section and click it. Then turn Backlink in Document on. With this enabled, every note will automatically show the backlink section inside the note itself. After that, return to Settings and click Community Plugins. If Community Plugins are restricted, select Turn on Community Plugins. Then click Browse. In the search field, type Dataview. When you find it, click Install, then click Enable. This plugin lets you embed a list of backlinks directly inside a note using a query block. Now open a different note. For this demo, the note is called Design Ideas. Click at the end of the contents so your cursor is placed where you want the backlink list to appear. Type a heading for the section. Enter 2 number signs, then a space, then backlinks. Press Enter to move to the next line. Now type 3 backticks, followed by Dataview. This starts a Dataview code block that Obsidian will read as a query. On the next line, type list from, then a space, then 2 opening square brackets and 2 closing square brackets. So the full line reads, list from open brackets, close brackets. This creates the embedded link list inside the note. Once that is done, the backlinks will appear under your account. You've now successfully displayed backlinks inside a note in Obsidian. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Go ahead and try it now on your end. Congratulations!